back. Hi guys, so yeah, the M10-4 Bumblebee is back, or Minion as my daughter calls it. Exactly the same. A friend of mine, Colin's been riding this for the last, I don't know, 6 months, year, whatever it was, and got it back. Really like the M10-4. It's so strange after riding nothing but suspension though for the last, I don't know, year and a half. Yeah, definitely shaky getting back on, and you can feel your feet more, definitely for sure. Yeah, wobbly and not going that fast at the moment. I think my pads need to be slightly adjusted, so they're a bit of a better fit. So we're going to have a look at that. And I did want to see if I could take the little Neo 2 drone up. There's an old bushes. There's an old flour mill near where I am, and I think part of it still runs, but the other part is like derelict and you can't get in it or anything like that. But I was always interested in see what it's like from the air, so I'm going to see if I can take my drone up here and just get a shot above and see what it's like. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take it over or not. I don't want to, you know, break any rules. But let's see what we can see. So I managed to get reasonably close. I didn't actually go over it. I respected the boundaries. The camera like zoomed in quite a bit. So that's pretty good. We'll take it. We'll look along in a minute. So, it feels a lot more wobbly obviously. I'm used to suspension. Still an amazing wheel. And such a nimble, tiny little fast wheel. And you can carry it in a backpack.